Hey guys, how you doing? This is the follow-up video. If you like, the first one is up here. The easiest way to play reggae, which is truly is. We're just using picking like this, and on the bar chords, just in case you haven't seen it, you can check that video. It's also in the description, and it's gonna be at the end screens at the end of the video. But here today, I'm using my fingers as a pick. So if you're using fingers, down with your 4 or your 2 or your other 2, and up with your thumb. It's much better. Okay, now, the trick in order to get this one, number one, is to know what muting of the string is and to know some basic bar chords. Let's first see the diagrams and the chords, which is a C on the bar chord. It's a G, going down to the 5th fret, the bar on A minor, fly all the way up to the F, and start from the beginning, right on the C, G, A minor. You can go G or just slide straight to the F, back to the G, and C to finish it off. So from the G to the C, it sounds like it's ending. And by the way, if you go online and find, these are the chords for Bob Marley, No Woman, No Cry, and I don't think there are better chords sounding for a reggae example. I mean, it's just built for that. Now, let's have some fun what muting is. If some of you know already these things, that means you picked it up by me playing it in the beginning and you closed the video, you're not here anymore, so why am I talking? Some of you might really want it analyzed, and this is what I actually specialize in. I like sharing exactly how I learned it. Maybe you don't know, but I'm actually a full-time salsa and bachata and Latino dance teacher for 22 years now, and I have this channel for 14 years, which is my hobby. I'm a self-taught guitarist, and I share my knowledge with the people. Every time they ask me something, I go search for it, I learn it, I play it, I make it as best as possible, and then I tell them, how did I do it? And if they're happy with it, usually they leave a donation. Hint, hint. Anyway guys, just kidding. A like and a subscribe though would be wonderful. Hey guys, now let's get right into our form for muting. Now, some of you, I've shown that in the previous videos as well, and many times, that they put 3 fingers here and they bar the whole thing like that, which that's fine with me. I prefer to use my pinky to do a little bit back bend and just bar all 3 strings. That's the fourth string, the 3rd, and the 2nd one, and then bar here. So it just looks like my badass finger is giving you the finger. But it's very, very comfortable and very easy to change. But the point of this exercise now is to press the chord, but have a dead, muted sound. Try it on the G, A minor, F. Cool. Now, let's get some rhythm going without pressing down. Down, up, down, da down, da down, da down, da down, da down, da. Try to change through the chords without doing anything else. Get used to doing both things, that dead sound. Every time I press accent, that means simply more power, you can hear it too. So if you're using a pick, you can do the same thing. I press down the strings on the wood so I get a live note, not a dead note. Get it? Live. Anyway, and immediately I'm muted. You see, I don't go. That's a little bit too much. Now you're going to practice first only on the C, as many times as you have to. Then take the G, don't press it. Now, we're coming to the last part, which is the double hit, guys. I'm literally going hit, hit. You've noticed my left hand? Both hits are treated equal. I'm not going mute, and then let it ring. So very fast, I'm pressing tum tum, tum tum, like the heartbeat. Tum tum, tum tum, tum tum, tum tum, tum tum. So we're using that combination of percussion, dead notes, and pressing. You don't have to do the double if you try to sing it, of course, because it's going to be a little bit more difficult in the beginning. But you can go to the previous video if you found this second video by accident, which I show literally only using this pick here, and learn how to sing with that. And then slowly, you can learn to sing with the strumming percussive pattern that you've learned in this video. And even better, after that, you can take a song and put the easy picking pattern when you start, and when the song picks up, you can use the strumming pattern and they'll go back to the picking pattern to switch off the song. And then you have a more complete idea. And by then, remember that the most difficult thing in reggae is it's not the techniques themselves, you will learn them. It's getting that slap is the clear note. Always on the upbeat. Sometimes, most of the times, they also do ah, ah, ah. They start on the offbeat. You hear my foot going down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so it's gonna be a drag and a knack for it that you have to develop in order to have fun with it, especially if somebody's playing with you, and keep it steady. And once more, on the previous video, I used this one because it was more simple and I wanted to put a little bit of percussive effect inside. I have in here a few minutes of just pure percussive sounds for you. You can download them in the description from my Google Drive, and you can put that in the background, 70 beats per minute, and just practice with any chords you like, because it's only percussions. So it's really nice to practice, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in this kind of techniques and styles, my channel has over 550 videos. I show flamenco, blues. Go and check the playlists and see what you like the best. And also, I have for sale my ebook. Ever since I started the channel, it's doing wonderful. People are really interested about it because it's all about teaching you more than 20 ways of picking patterns, like I showed on the previous video, or other videos where I sing. Yes, there's dust in the wind inside as well, but just the picking. And there are full blues songs that you can things to teach you like that. And there are also MP3 examples in the download, so every thing that you learn, even basic picking, you can hear me playing it slow and then playing it faster, so you can try to sing it. And I suggest each picking what kind of song, ballad, rock, blues, Latin, jazz, what kind of music that picking pattern fits, and you simply change the chords. So I really believe it's a really cool ebook, guys. Give it a check. It's 40% discount, only 12 euros. And enough with the advertising. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something, and God bless.